Let's kick off our lineup of incredible inventions with a simple and dependable gadget from Australia, the Hose to Go. This water supply unit maintains consistent pressure to stop harmful dust from spreading in the air when using sawing tools by keeping them wet. The wet dust becomes heavier and drops to the ground, while the water pressure stays constant. The Hose to Go doesn't need a pump, complicated electronics, or batteries. Its tank holds 14 liters, providing 30 minutes of non-stop use. When the water runs out, just hook up a hose to any tap. The maker says that the Hose to Go is gaining popularity every day. Let me introduce you to the amazing lifters from EASG Manufacturing. The basic model handles 34 kilograms, while the top model can lift an impressive 109 kilograms. They come with a T-handle for precise control, perfect for keeping tiles and other items level. The stronger lifters feature an 8-shaped handle, designed for 2-person use. Each lifter includes special attachments with memory foam elements. According to EASG Manufacturing, these lifters cut work time by 40%. With such efficiency, it's no wonder even the basic model is priced at $634. No match or lighter can reach the high temperature needed to heat charcoal to 2000 degrees Celsius, but luckily, the ROCKETFIRE propane tank nozzle can do the job. This small attachment, resembling a crane beak, connects to the tank and ignites the gas instantly. In just seconds, your grill will be on fire. A few years back, the creators of this project used Kickstarter to fund it, but now they have their own factory. You can get the ROCKETFIRE for a minimum price of $145. The aptly named Skyscraper kit lets you clear debris and dirt from your roof with ease. Priced at $763, it offers 3 height settings, 7, 9, and 10 meters. The kit includes 11 scraper blades of various shapes and a brush effective against moss. With its double head, you can combine the accessories as needed. Sellers believe Skyscraper is ideal for professional cleaners, which may justify the price. Sometimes plants aren't attacked by zombies, but by weeds. For thousands of years, weeds have been a problem for gardeners and farmers. The HillTip WEEDSTRIKER helps control unwanted weeds in an eco-friendly way by using water heated to 98 degrees Celsius. The water boils in a big boiler that can easily fit in the back of a pickup truck, and the electric pump can be set up using the StrikeSmart app. Dandelions better get ready for this tough, hot fight. This isn't just any makeshift desk thrown together in a garage. It's the SpeedBench workstation by the Japanese company RI. This versatile workstation transforms from a workbench into a cart. In workbench mode, you can enjoy a sturdy wooden tabletop measuring 107 by 56 centimeters, supporting up to 181 kilograms. In cart mode, the load capacity decreases to 136 kilograms, but you gain 25 centimeters diameter wheels for easy mobility. The SpeedBench is priced at $199. Handling cable reels requires care, no matter their size. That's where the ITOOLCO reel jacks come in. They're designed to work safely on construction sites. These jacks feature 2 legs connected by a strong cylinder where the reel is placed. Workers can easily lift or lower the reel by turning the crank. With 4 bearings and a total load capacity of 9 tons, the reel rotates smoothly. The reel jacks can be assembled in just a minute and even installed on the back of a truck. The manufacturer promises that these stands will hold the reel securely, even with any shocks. Even if you only have $30, you can still get something handy, the VIB-BAR vacuum scraper. This tool connects to a wet-dry vacuum, keeping dust, debris, and dirt contained. It's also great for scraping away layers of paint, plaster, and other materials up to 6.4 millimeters thick. The scraper is reinforced with fiberglass, making it a durable and effective tool for your cleaning needs. If you've recently remodeled your house, you might have struggled with gaps in the drywall that seem impossible to fill, even with a ton of cork. For a smooth fix, consider using the mesh taper. This handy tool comes with a roller that applies mesh tape over the joints. Just one pass along the wall is enough to close any gaps, even the size of the Grand Canyon. The mesh taper features a comfortable handle and an adjustable blade, and the thin but strong tape won't leave any noticeable bumps or roughness under the cork. The mesh taper starts at $32. The Anar Vibat is a pendulum vibrator designed for pouring concrete mixtures. It's cordless, eliminating the hassle of dealing with wires, and weighs a manageable 5 kilograms. It also boasts reduced noise and vibration levels. On a full charge, it offers a full hour of use. The vibrator, which includes a charger and a 4 amp-hour battery, is priced at $896. The next item on our list today is quite unique, the IML-RESI POWERDRILL. This innovative tool is designed to check the key features of a tree. Using a powerful laser, it penetrates the trunk to reveal any hollow areas, cracks, or decay. It can also detect fungi, pests, and physical damage. For a thorough analysis, you need to take measurements at least 30 times from the roots all the way up to the top. Once you know what's wrong, you can start treating the tree, but remember, the IML-RESI POWERDRILL is for diagnosis only and won't help with the treatment process. Helping nature isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Interpac's new cordless torque wrench packs a punch with an impressive torque of up to 8,130 Newton-meters. It boasts remarkable accuracy, with a margin of just plus or minus 5% across the operating range. This portable, battery-powered tool includes 2 5.5-hour batteries, making it incredibly convenient. It also features a LED display and allows for torque adjustment at the touch of a button. All these perks come at a premium price of about $78,000. If your car breaks down on a deserted road at night, grab your Mule 1000 flashlight and check under the hood. With a power output of 1000 lumens, this flashlight can last for 2 hours at full power or 5 hours in dim mode. It easily attaches to the hood using hooks or magnets. Made of strong plastic and featuring a clear polycarbonate lens, the Mule 1000 is durable and reliable. It charges through a USB Type-C port in just 4.5 hours. You can buy it for $110 from the manufacturer's website. The creators of Coilshot suggest you get the job done in one shot with their efficient cleaning system designed for condensers, specifically heat exchange units, not electronic components. It easily connects to a garden hose and uses innovative technology to clean dirt, grime and grease. Unlike many competitors, it gets the job done with just 1 or 2 tablets of cleaning agent. Plus, it comes with a 91 centimeters long nozzle for reaching tricky spots. The Coilshot is priced at $102. When an apartment features marble columns and intricate ceiling moldings, measuring all the curves of the baseboard can be challenging. Luckily, there's a tool called Tracer designed for this exact situation. It has a set of sliding retractable plates that press against the wall to copy its exact shape, which can then be easily transferred to the drywall. To prevent the plates from sagging and losing their shape, they are reinforced with 2 thick strips at the top and bottom. Tracer comes in 2 sizes, 130mm and 250mm. The IML ResiF turns your drill into a wood sclerometer, providing a high-tech method for inspecting wooden structures. Though it comes with a price tag of $3,127, it allows you to easily check live trees, bridge supports, playground equipment, and more for issues like rot. Results are documented on the spot, making it easy to quickly identify any problems. With a single 5 amp-hour battery charge, you can take up to 50 measurements at depths of up to 50 centimeters. It's a fantastic tool for anyone serious about wood inspection. Have you ever heard of the innovation Bora PM4500 SPEEDHORSE Award? It's a prestigious honor given out annually. A few years ago, the Bora SPEEDHORSE portable woodworking stand won it. This nifty device unfolds in just 1.6 seconds, with legs that easily extend from its oblong body and lock at a 90 degrees angle. Once set up, the stand can hold up to 816 kilograms. With a working height of 76 centimeters, it's even comfortable for taller users. To fold it back up, just pull a special lever. You can get the Bora SPEEDHORSE for $140. Interpac is revolutionizing cordless hydraulic tools with its SC series hydraulic pumps. Take the SC121MB, for example. It features a maximum working pressure of 689 bar, a powerful 1 horsepower motor, and a manageable weight of around 20 kilograms. Buyers will love the 54V battery and the Interpac Connect app, which offers documentation, instructional videos, and maintenance reminders. This high-performance pump is available for $4,700. The Flexi Frame may look like other paint rollers, but it has a unique advantage: it's modular. The handle and roller are 2 separate parts, so when the roller gets covered in paint, you don't need to wash it before switching to a different color. Simply bend the arms, slide the roller core out, and install a new one. The Flexi Frame also features a long flexible handle and a bucket hook, allowing you to rest it on the edge of the bucket. All this convenience comes at a price of just $13. The RYGID K912 stands out as FLEXSHAFT's most compact pipe cleaning solution. Weighing just 4.5 kilograms, it offers impressive versatility, compatible with any cordless drill operating at 1,800 to 2,500 RPM. With a cable length of 9 meters and a diameter of 6 millimeters, it's agile enough to navigate tight spaces while effectively cleaning pipes up to 50 millimeters in diameter. This efficient system is priced at $230.